Hey everybody, it's Christopher. Well, here's my new Quintet that I picked up last night that was gifted to me from a friend. And when I loaded it up today, it was making some noise. It was making some noise, and then I decided to, you know, take it apart, clean it, oil it, and I thought, oh man, I should have videotaped it making noise so people could have heard it. But anyway, so I cleaned the bobbin out. Look at all that dirt that was in there. Oiled that really good. I oiled the top over here. And then I didn't even change a needle yet. I just got the same needle that she was using. And let's listen to how quiet it is now. Isn't that sweet? It's got a scissor cutter. I do got to tell you one thing that this Singer has over the Brother machines and the Baby Locks that I own. The scissor cutter is so much more quiet than the Brother and Baby Lock. That's the only thing I can say that's better about the two brands. Anyway, so there it is. There's the bobbin thread I put in it, just a simple white. So yeah, so now as soon as Singer gets her website up and running, I can download the update for the embroidery so I can use this on my Windows 10 computer and start to embroider and work with the continuous endless hoop. I'm excited about that because the other two Singer machines I have, they do not accept the endless continuous hoop. The only model machines that will do the endless continuous hoop, let me get this in here, is, oh, why won't that go in? Come on. Thread won't go in now. Oh, there it is. Okay, the only ones that will use the continuous endless hoop is the Quintet, the XL420, and the XL580. I believe those are the only three. There might be another one, but I can't remember. So anyway, that's it. So listen to this one more time before I sign out. Very quiet, very nice. And that was just an embroidery needle that was in there that came with the machine. And this is just some thin poly cotton I'm using. This is a shirt from a shirt I made a long time ago, and this is the leftover scraps. You might have saw one of my videos with this material. Oh, now when I go fast, it's making the rattling noise. So how do we fix the rattling noise? Got to adjust that bobbin. Let's go to that video that I made a while ago to fix it. Okay, I'm back. So guess what I did? I had an extra plate cover I bought a while back, and I had an extra bobbin case I bought a while back. I put the new case plate cover on and the new bobbin case in, and now listen. There we go. And the way I put it in, watch my video on bobbin noise fix. And now it's working fine. No more of that noise which you heard earlier. So I got it working. And just to be fair to all brand machines, like between I had a brother that had a bad bobbin case. I replaced it. It was shredding threads, so I replaced it. You saw that in my video. I talked about my other videos. I talked about that. But the problem here was, whatever the reason, this bobbin case and this throat plate, no good on this used Quintet that I received today. And as you heard earlier in this video, it was making a noise when I went to sew full speed, and now it doesn't make that noise anymore. And here we go one more time. So now I'll just wait for my fridge clips to come in so I can put them up here at the top. And I'll have this machine up and running and working with the embroidery. And then once I do the endless continuous hoop, I'll do some videos on that later. So I hope this tip helps you and save all your frustration whenever you start getting those noises. Go to my bobbin noise fix video. I'll put that at the bottom of this video link in the description box for you all, so you can click on that if you don't know where it's at. If you're in my sewing group, my singer sewing group, it's in the files folder. And if you're not on my group, I'll put a link to that also in the description. Be sure to read the group membership and group policy. Read the membership agreement and group policies before you join, because my group runs differently than everyone else's. It runs a little more self-sufficient. It's like a self-help file folder for you all. Okay? Okay, take care, everybody. Bye now.